MSMI और स्टार्टअप यात्रा 2024। इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया ICAI की पूर्वी भारत क्षेत्रीय परिषद ICI MSMI और स्टार्टअप यात्रा 2024 का हिस्सा बनकर प्रसन्न है। इस पहल का उद्देश्य गतिशील MSMI और स्टार्टअप क्षेत्रों में वित्तीय और कर साक्षरता को बढ़ाना। यह कार्यक्रम कोलकाता से MSME यात्रा के लिए बस को हरी झंडी दिखाने के साथ शुरू हुआ थे। CA संजीव संघी अध्यक्ष, CA विष्णु तुलसियान वाइस चेयरमैन, CA मोशिका सरकार, CA रंजना R एरनकर, CIT से मयूर अग्रवाल सचिव और कोषाध्यक्ष EIRC, CA देवयान पात्रा पूर्व अध्यक्ष EIRC। इसके शुभ अवसर पर CA सुशील कुमार गोयल उप संयोजक वित्तीय और एक साक्षरता निदेशालय। यह स्टार्टअप बेंगलुरु से अभी कोलकाता आया और कोलकाता के 5 क्षेत्रों से होकर यह अब अपने दूसरे गंतव्य की ओर प्रस्थान करेगा। आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। साथ में 92318452 फ़ोन नंबर पर कोई भी जानकारी देनी हो, किसी भी बात का आपको हिस्सा बनना हो या हमारे वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं, आपको वीडियो बनवाना हो तो आप हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
That the debt of ours increase and it increases, it far outweighs our income, wherein we stand in a position that we have to lose all our financial assets and all our assets actually. So the major causes be poor money management, emotional attachment to an investment, spending more than you earn, which is a very common thing that we all, very common mistake that we all do, spending more than we earn, investing without proper research, sudden reduction in income or unexpected expenses. Now, I would like to mention a few points wherein what like how to keep a major monthly expense, take action, take corrective actions, deal with creditors proactively, do not hesitate to ask for help. Now, these are the things, these are the steps that we need to follow while we are in a financial crisis. But how should we avoid a financial crisis? We should definitely try to avoid such a situation because that is not a very good situation to face. So the first thing is that we should make budgets. Budgets are a very important factor to consider while in business or while anywhere in life also. Even an individual should make a budget.
Thank you. Seated on dais, we have Mr. P.K. Das, Joint Director, Ranjana, who is also from Confederation of All India Trade Association, the Vice Chairman of EIRC, Vishnu Tulsiyan, Secretary and Treasurer Mayur Agarwal, immediate past Chairman Devan Patra, to all the media, friends, professionals, association heads, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome all of you to a very, very novel initiative done by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and this has been done for last several years, and this year we have been covering more than 100 cities in 100 days across the country, where we are trying to create the awareness on financial and tax literacy and also in strengthening the economy of the country. When our Prime Minister talks about Viksit Bharat and talks about how we become the third largest economy of the world, it is very, very important that our MSME, the micro and small and medium enterprises, needs to get stronger, and we are working very, very closely hand holding all the MSMEs and the startups, because that is where there is a huge gap on the literacy part so far as financial and tax literacies are concerned. And since we have so many press media over here, with your voice I wanted to say that Institute of Chartered are also working for the society, and that's why we are the most trusted partners in nation building. Let me tell you one very small important thing about the MSME, that if we are really want the MSME to grow, there are two important factors which we need to take into consideration. One is differentiation, and MSME has to perform differently.
This is a special program, I can tell you, because MSME, nobody can deny that they are contribution to Indian economy is a huge, because next to agriculture they are the pillar of economy, pillar of employment. And you will be surprised to know that I think now it is going to surpass the agriculture related activities manpower. Now we have almost crossed 14 crores of employment in MSME sector, and I can tell you, government is giving a lot of emphasis to grow this sector, right from finance, technology and market. Each and everywhere there is support for Government of India through various schemes. And one thing I can tell you,
तो काफी सारे issues when I discuss with the Subhash ji, who is the president for the Kolkata, and he will be definitely coordinating with the all the ICICI concerned person to support to the MSME for all over the Kolkata region. जहाँ पे फाइनेंस का सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है, we are whatever the concerns for the MSME is related to finance and related finance raising funds. अगर लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व किया है, when I discuss with the finance team, there is a lacking for the documentation part for the MSME. अगर वो GST में रजिस्टर हो जाते हैं, but उनके यहाँ पे documentation for the all whatever the documentation is required to take the loan from the banks, there are issues. They are not maintained the documentation part. तो पूरी ICICI की टीम हमारे पास है, and we can work on that. Why they have not maintained the documentations? So we will definitely discuss with the concerned team, and we will have the entire documentation to get it done from the efforts for the to raise the funds from the government bodies. As the National Secretary for Confederation of All India Traders, Praveen Khandelwal, he has been elected as the Member of Parliament from the Delhi Chandni Chowk. So we have the opportunity, the power to fight to raise the fund to the national government bodies. We can raise the voice against the whatever the we are facing the issues related to finance concern.
so if it is about publishing something in the news article, you are the experts, or something that is going on which you are covering, you are not aware of the nuances of that. So it is very important for you to exactly understand what is there, what is happening, so that you can actually bring out an article in the text. Similarly, everyone wants to have a living, wants to do some kind of a business for their living. But the country has so many laws. It is not possible for every person to know all these laws. Probably, we know that even Dhirubhai Ambani could not pass class 10. That means the businesses that are growing in our country at the grassroots level, the ones who probably have not got the proper literacy also, while doing business has to follow so many laws of this land. How will they be aware of those lands, first of all? Second, once they are aware, if they have to actually perform, and the government wants to support these sectors, what are the schemes? That also are not going to them. So probably there is a difficulty that they are facing, and there is a...
So good morning everyone. Myself, the chairman of EIRC, CS Sanjeev Sanghi. I have with me the Central Council member and the program director of this event, ICI, MSME and Startup Yatra. I also have with me Vice Chairman of EIRC, Vishnu Tulsian, Secretary and Treasurer Mayur Agarwal, and the immediate past Chairman, Devayan Patra. This is a drive which has more than a month long drive where we are trying to spread the literacy of MSME and startup. And this is going to 175 branches and 5 regional councils across the country. That same bus is traveling to spread literacy on financial and tax literacy and on MSME. And both these things are the drives of the country The lower section and the middle sections are all MSME and they all need huge boost. And we as Chartered Accountants, being the partners in nation building, are working towards the cause of bringing the awareness of financial literacy and tax literacy, of using credit card, of how we can help to the security and many more things, financial incentives, subsidies, many other stuffs are there. So this is an awareness program wherein we are trying to say to the society and to the country at large that Chartered Accountant and the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India are working hand in hand with all the part and parcel of the society to strengthen our economy. And we always say that if India is going to be the third largest economy of the world in next 5 or 10 years, the largest contribution will be done by Chartered Accountant. I will also request our Program Director and Central Council Member Shishir Goyal to please say a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, each one of you. This is MSME and Startup Yatra. This is started from Bangalore and it will cover all major cities of the country wherever the ICI is having their branches. It reached today from Calcutta, from the Odisha, and it will go to Siliguri, then Assam. Through this we are trying to achieve the Viksit Bharat because we understand unless we support the MSME and the startup, unless we do the hand-holding to them, we cannot achieve the Viksit Bharat. And at the same time we also recognize the importance of the tax and financial literacy which is required to the countrymen, because so many things are now online and so many education is required which is not part of our education curriculum in the school, or few have not got opportunity to attend school or college. So they also need this literacy. So ICI will, wherever this yatra will go, we are organizing program. Today also we have organized a program on tax and financial literacy, keeping in mind the MSME and the startup. And similar program will be organized wherever this yatra will go. And we are trying to do, while supporting the MSME and the startup, we are also trying to achieve the literacy among the countrymen. We understand it is not only the educated require the education, even the rickshawala, thelawala, household workers, or even the small workers, farmers, all need this education. So we are spreading this education through our financial and tax literacy directorate. I am the deputy convener of this directorate this year, and thank you very much for all of you coming. And one more information I want to give: on 17th of August, across the country we will celebrate this financial and tax literacy day, where on the same day also we will organize program in each of our branches. We will invite all the people who need the literacy, and as well as our brand ambassadors. In each city we have few people who is taking this drive ahead. We will invite them and have a program. We will call it Financial and Tax Literacy Mela on 17th of August 2025. Thank you.